Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, whatever the case may be. I want to let you guys know that I'm getting ready to start a new build. It's going to be a Stratocaster build. It's going to be binding on both front and back. It's going to be made out of one piece. We have the piece here. I'll show you. I'll kind of put a video in there. It's going to be a one-piece African mahogany. It's kind of a heavy wood, so I'm probably going to hollow it out. So, and that's about all I have planned for this. So if you have any ideas that you would put on it, if it was your guitar, feel free to comment down below. And if I use your idea, I'll give you a shout out down there. So, got flies in here. Yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to start here. I haven't been able to put a whole lot of videos out because I've had a broken finger and I had surgery. And so I've been recovering for the last few months. So I'm ready to go now. It's been a bummer not being able to do much. Anyway, I'm going to be doing that. So my vision I wanted to say for this channel is, as I put on there, design, build, and demo, because I do play a little guitar too, and so I want to put some videos out there possibly. It's my vision for this. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe. I'd appreciate your support, and I'm hoping that I can earn your subscription. So thank you, and thanks for coming.